we are getting straight into our election coverage this morning, ladies and gentlemen. And I don't know about your pulse, but my pulse is racing as always with excitement. And excitement is what it builds up to. Madhvi Lata joining us from Hyderabad, the very high-profile constituency. Good morning, Ms. Madhvi Lata. You're smiling. Many exit polls don't give you a chance. Don't give you a chance, but it's fantastic to see a broad smile this morning.
Because, you know, they have only been hearing for the last 40 years one side winning, so they're all confused. But I know that we have given a fantastic fight, and we are going to change the fate of Hyderabad this day.
Fantastic. You had talked about a lot of bogus votes, a lot of people coming in burqas. You had stirred up quite a hornet's nest. Madhvi Lata, this morning, are you satisfied? Are you going in with a positive mind, or like the India Alliance is doing in the north, are you a little worried about what's going on behind the scenes?
Navika ji, today is the day of confidence, the day to fight again back with whatever discrepancies that may or may not happen today. But today's day, we will wait entire day with all the energies of 400 par. We will be at the best conscious there to ensure that justice is done in spite of all the discrepancies that have happened on May 13th. But the end, if we really figure out that the justice has not been done, then this fight doesn't stop here. We will go to any extent to the court or to the law of this land to get justice to the Hyderabad Lok Sabha constituency.
Madhvi Lata, before counting starts, if Asaduddin Owaisi is watching you right now, your message this morning to Mr. Owaisi.
I'm going to give one more May 13 today again for him. And we're going to show the entire country along with him that it's going to be BJP, BJP and BJP, no other sound today. So let the opponents be ready to hear this roaring sound. With a lot of guts sitting in their chests.
Fantastic, Madhvi Lata. You know, as always, the spirit is what matters, and the way you bring out the spirit of democracy, frankly, it's a real tonic early in the morning. All the very best to you, and
because it's not just Navika ji, it's not just the exit polls, it's the autograph and the hearts of everybody, the Modi's autograph.
Okay, fantastic. We have a panel of guests this morning in our studios. They have a question for you, Anand Ranganathan.
Hi, good morning. Wish you all the very best. And it's been fantastic to see you campaigning in the, if I can say, lion's den. But I think the fact remains that you've exposed the hypocrisy of the people who are supposed to be the so-called flame keepers of secularism. So I think this election, especially your candidature, will go down as a tremendous expose of the people who believe that they are the ones who are going to keep this country secular. They are anything but. So thank you so much.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Fantastic.
Thank you so much.
And, you know, it's actually the spirit in which this contest takes place. And you've kept the spirits high. Very, very best to you, Madhvi Lata ji. And we do hope, you know, today may the best team win, as we always say. But for just... you know, your presence, for just raising the profile of Hyderabad, despite having your back against the wall. It's lovely to see feisty women fighting it out there, and from a woman to another woman.
It doesn't really matter, Navika ji, doesn't...
Yeah.
Thank you, Navika ji. It doesn't really matter, because the first time you have decided to break the fort and bring justice and show the entire country what's been happening in the last 40 years, the injustice to our people here.
4 जून 2024 ये तारीख भारत का भविष्य तय करने जा रही है।
4 जून नरेंद्र मोदी हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री नहीं रहेंगे।